Hello guys, in this video we will see how to fix the invisible chair actor, one in the Division, but we'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step of Verify Game Files Integrity. Content Launch the Ubisoft Connect Launcher. Look at the Division. In your game library, select the game and choose the option to verify files or a similarly named function. This process will check the game's installation files against the master server's database, identifying and automatically replacing any corrupted or missing files that may be contributing to the invisible chair actor, but allow ample time for this process to complete. Interruptions may lead to incomplete verification. Restart your game client once the verification process is finished. Step Update Graphics Drivers. Content Ensure your graphics card drivers are completely up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA and/or Intel, and download the latest drivers specifically designed for your model and operating system. A failure to utilize the latest drivers can introduce compatibility issues and glitches, including visual bugs, such as the invisible chair actor problem. After installing the new drivers, restart your computer before launching the Division to ensure the changes are fully implemented. Step Reinstall the Division, but content. If the file verification and driver updates fail to resolve the issue, a complete reinstallation of the Division may be necessary. Uninstall the game completely through your system's application manager or the Ubisoft Connect launcher. Ensure all game files and associated folders are deleted. Then reinstall the game from a clean source, whether it be through the physical disk or through your digital game store. This guarantees a fresh install free of corrupted data that might be causing the invisible chair actor bug.
Step for Check in-game settings. Content Examine the Division with in-game graphics and display settings. Ensure that your resolution and graphical settings are appropriate for your system's capabilities. Lowering certain settings, such as shadows or anti-aliasing, might temporarily alleviate the problem. Additionally, verify that any in-game shader caches are cleared or rebuilt, as these can sometimes become corrupted and cause rendering issues. Experiment with different settings to find a configuration that improves visual stability.
Step Contact Ubisoft Support Content. If none of the preceding steps resolve the invisible chair actor bug, contact Ubisoft Support directly. Provide them with detailed information about your system specifications, the steps you've already taken, and screenshots or videos of the problem. Ubisoft Support might offer further troubleshooting advice or inform you of known issues and potential patches that address the bug. Detailed information will help them better understand and resolve your specific problem.